Welcome back to another OTD unboxing. Today I have for you the 2024 Pop Culture D case. So we just unboxed the C case the other day. Now we're looking at the D case of Pop Culture, formerly Entertainment. Let's pop it open and see what we get. So like all pop culture these days, these cars are made in Indonesia as designated by the box. This case contains 10 vehicles. Let's see a couple repeats right off the bat. We have the Super Mario Brothers Plumber Van. So this one looks very much like the first release of this one. Not a huge fan of the re-releases, but I get them, and this is a very popular car. I actually had my son asking for one of these, so it is time to give him one. Super Mario Brothers movie. Hear that they're making a second. Can't wait to see that. All right, let's get the other repeat out of the way here. I don't know. I can't count how many times that this one's been done for pop culture and entertainment, but it is the Lotus Esprit S1 from James Bond 007, The Spy Who Loves Me. You get the LW5 wheels on there. I can't remember if this one's worn the LW5s before, but good casting. Just, we've seen it quite a few times already, so getting out of the way. All right, all three of the next vehicles in this mix are brand new, including this all-new version of the Volkswagen drag bus in the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 40th anniversary. Can't believe it's been 40 years. Crazy. All right, kind of a metal flake green, paint job here, black. I mean, I think the show is around the 90s, so this must have been the comics. I know that Nickelodeon now owns the license to Ninja Turtles, so hence the Nickelodeon on the back there. But for drag bus fans, always great to have another drag bus. Nice heavy casting, all black wheels. This one's kind of a cool release of the drag bus. Just a very, not too crazy. I mean, it's got obviously big tampos on the side and the roof, but just green and black, so pretty simple. All right. Next, we have the Beatles Highway Hauler. So, not too long ago, we had the Beatles Highway Hauler from the White Album. It was all white, including the wheels. And then we had actually the, I guess you could call it the ticket stub version, just like this. It was actually in orange earlier this year in Mix 2 of Pop Culture. And now in Mix 4, Mix D, we have it in a mint green. Not sure if there was an idea behind having an orange and a green one. Maybe those were the colors of the original tickets. I'll have to get the orange one out to see if the wording here is different. This one says Empire Stadium, Vancouver. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. But yeah, two releases there of the Highway Hauler. Always good to have a Highway Hauler in the collection. All right, last car out of the case. The one I'm most excited for is a brand new casting designed by newer designer Ron Wong. We have seen no shortage of 007 cars, but this one is a brand new car casting and a brand new release in it. This is the Aston Martin V8. Look at this. Just a look at the paint here. Get up close here. Just a metal flake, like pewter. Great paint on this. And then is the sunroof? Can't tell. Can't tell if that sunroof is tampoed on or if it is part of the glass. Looks like it might be tampoed on. And then, but look at that, like the detail on the hood scoop, the hood bulge. Just a very crisp sculpt there on the casting. Get the Aston Martin logo in the front. Great detail on in the grill there with the fog lights and the headlights, the Euro style license plate on the front grille, and on the back, you got the, there we go. You got the taillights. Yeah, just a very, one of those clean looking releases. You know, if you had it out of the package, you wouldn't think that it even belonged to a movie. James Bond fans know otherwise. The Aston Martin V8 is a great casting to add to the Hot Wheels arsenal here. So overall, great mix again. Probably not as strong as the last mix of Mix C, which I just posted an unboxing of the other day. Regardless, great set here. Make sure you check out stopdiecast.com. They still have cases of these available for you to purchase. Thank you for watching.